Welcome to Crown, your SharePoint online learning management and gamification site. Today you will get a tour of both the user experience and administration of the site.
Okay, so we're going to take a tour of Crown. The first thing that I'd like to point out is this does ride in Office 365 SharePoint Online. It does utilize Office 365's single sign-on and Azure Active Directory, so it automatically knows that it's me who's logging in. And based upon your credentials, what's going to come up is the department that you belong to and the job role that you are with the suggested missions. But I have all admin access, so I get to see all available missions. Now, please keep in mind that all of these missions here can be anything that you want. We have worked with clients who have done things on safety videos, safety missions. We've worked with hospitals on developing the X-ray missions and the like. So it really can be just about anything. So if you wanted to, you could search what available missions are there by department, what available missions there are by job role, or you could simply choose them by the first letter if you wanted to search by the available missions by letter, if you'd like to do that. So the first thing we're going to, let's say I'm new and I wanted to learn how to use the telephone. So that I would take the, how to use the telephone mission. So the user would click on the telephone mission, and what would happen here is you'll see is that up in here, you'll have the associated mission.
Welcome to this training on the Cisco IP phones. In this session, we're going to look at how to use the features of the Cisco IP phone.
So we're not going to bore you with how to use our Cisco phone system, but the point is that you can have within the mission, you can be utilizing any type of media, whether it's video, whether it's PowerPoint, whether it is a Word document, whatever it might be, you will be able to go ahead and load it up as a mission. You can go ahead and click on this, and this will be full screen if you'd like to see it in that format, or you could use this format. A few things as we go around here. What we'll notice is we take a tour is that from this site, you can look at the awards dashboard. So my awards dashboard. You have the mission map. You also have how many points have I earned. You'll also see a training banner here with other different types of information. Again, this can be completely customizable. This gives you a description of this mission. It's how to use the phone. If you watch these videos, you will earn a badge, and it will also give you mission progress. We can see that we have 14 people have viewed this. One person has liked it. When it was published, it gives a brief description of what you're going to learn in this mission. Very simple there. So you could come over here and we can look at our awards dashboard by simply clicking on this button. Okay, so here you'll notice so far of exactly what's going on. Here's the missions and the activities, how many points that I've earned, my recent activities, the mission, the assignment, the points that were earned. I can look at my rewards that are available to me. So I can see here that if I take the Office 365 portal mission, I can get $1 Starbucks card, and there is a tremendous amount of things that are offered right now for what I can do to earn rewards. I can also click on here and see what badges have I earned by completing the missions, and I can also go ahead and view how is the leaderboard and how do I compare to my peers. And this leaderboard can be done by job role, by department, as well as missions. So that's a quick little tour of what this is all about and what Crown is from an end user perspective. And we'll go ahead and click on that how-to video one more time around utilizing the phone and taking the phone mission. So we can see here that on this phone mission, you can click the, of course, view and the complete video on the phone, which we can do. And you'll notice that down here, we only have one assignment associated to this mission. The point being is that if we had multiple assignments, those would all be listed down here. You can click the mission, and you'll also notice that after you complete, you can go ahead and there's a question, and that can be either true or false or multiple choice. You can have as many questions as you would like that the user would then take. The manufacturer of this phone is Cisco, and you can hit true or false, and it would say here that that is true, therefore your mission is completed. So that would go from there. So that's a quick preview of what the end user would be utilizing for his mission and his associated assignment. Okay, so what we're going to show now is how an administrator can go ahead and set up missions and the associated assignments. Now, please keep in mind that missions are made up of assignments. The mission can have one assignment or it could have 100 assignments. That's truly up to the administrator who is developing the learning mission. So it's pretty simple. You simply click on admin, and at the admin, you'll notice a few things here that, first of all, if it's a new role and you needed to create a new job role, you would simply go ahead and put in there the new job role. If it's a new department, or if it's your first time that you're creating a mission for a department and or job role, you would simply go ahead and put in the associated department. But most of the time, after you set up the job roles and the departments, the administrators and learning and training managers will be spending the majority of their time here in editing and adding new learning missions. So we're going to go ahead and give a demonstration of how to go ahead and create a mission. As we can see right here, these are all the missions that have been created so far. And what we're going to do is simply go ahead and create a new mission and show you how easy this really is. You simply create new mission. And today we're going to show people how to use the copier. Maybe you're onboarding a new person and you want to teach them how to use the copier and have them complete the copier mission. So we're going to go ahead and give a description to this. All right, that's great. And what department is this going to go to? And again, you can pick, any department. You can pick multiple departments if you would like. You can click all, but just for the sake of this and keeping it short, we're just going to use it for IT. And let's say the job roles that are available is we're going to use the help desk. But once again, you can pick multiple departments, and all job roles if you would like. And we're going to go ahead and put this in order number 8. We're going to make it active, and we're going to go ahead and upload a mission image. So we're going to go ahead and hit browse, and up pops, some different images that we've associated with. And so go ahead and choose a copy, and we'll put that as the mission image. And then we're going to go ahead and create a badge, and I think I'm just going to use this Toshiba badge image, and we'll go ahead and save that. So pretty simple. Hit save and next. So that was pretty darn simple there. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add an assignment to this mission. As we can see, it says there's no assignments found. So we're going to go ahead and add an assignment. And what we're going to call this assignment is we're going to say this is watch video for basic. We're going to upload the assignment. And we're going to be using this video. We're going to call it the basic copier video. And we're going to give this thing, it's going to be worth 100 points since it's only one assignment. There's no additional content. We're going to go ahead and hit save. So what this is doing now is saving that video up into the SharePoint library. And it will be there in 1 second. Okay, so we uploaded the video, and now we want to go ahead and let's go ahead and ask a question to make sure that the student learns what we did from the video. So we're going to go ahead and simply add a question, and it would say, well, there's no questions found, so let's go ahead on this mission of how to use the copier. We're going to add a question, and the question will be, it can be, by the way, it can be multiple choices or true or false. So let's ask a question. The manufacturer of the copier is Toshiba. And the answer we're going to put here is true. And you can see that the true, and it has to be separated by a comma, false is the choices. We'll go ahead and save that. Questions have been added successfully, as you can see, and we're good. Okay, so we added the mission, the associated assignment with the corresponding quiz. Now we want to go ahead and add a reward for those who have passed the copier mission. So we're going to go ahead and add a reward. Simply click on the rewards button. As you can see, here's our image of the Toshiba. So we're going to go ahead and pick that one into the add the action. So we're simply going to go over here, and what we're going to tell it is go ahead and complete the training video for copier. And then we'll go ahead and add the action image, and it is right here, and we'll save that. So we're good to go there. Now we'll just simply come down. And what we'll do here is we'll come down and we will add the rewards detail. So in other words, what we're going to do is we're going to say a new item. And we're going to say, well, let's go ahead and complete the training copier. And if you do that, what are we feeling generous today? Let's go ahead and give a $5 Dunkin' Donut gift card for that. So we'll save that. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what it looks like. Okay, so the first thing that you can do to verify that everything has been completed is you would just go back to step 3, you would add and edit missions. And if you recall, the order of that mission was number 8. So we're going to go down to number 8. And we can see that we have how to use the copier. It was for the IT department, the basics of the Toshiba copier. It is live. It's number 8. Here's the image of the copier, and then we put a Toshiba badge. So that's the way that was. And if we want, we can go back to the home page and see where it resides in the actual available missions. So we can see here that we're on how to use the copier. So that's where that is. And again, just if you wanted to verify how does that work, we can simply click on there. Okay, so here we go. So we clicked on that, and now we're here, and here's where we're going to give a basic tutorial of how to use the Toshiba copier. As you can see, it's all in here. We only have one assignment to this mission, but again, if we wanted to do maybe features of the copier, we could have, and there was 10 features, you could have 10 videos if you would like. No problem there. So let's say we went ahead and watched the video.
This machine is a Toshiba eStudio 4520C.
Okay, but we're not going to go through all of that the whole way, but let's just say we wanted to go ahead and finish this. We could go ahead and click that. We've completed this assignment successfully. So we completed that. Now we wanted to go ahead and click here to finish the mission. It's going to have, as you see, what popped up is the assignment, for mission completion was we had to answer this one simple question. The manufacturer of the copier is Toshiba, true or false? And let's say I hit false. What would happen here? It said, please try again. It's not right. So let's see if we can do that. And I bet you the answer is true. And let's see how that works. Oh, yes, we did complete the mission. Fantastic. So that is a simple way what we have done. We have gone ahead. We have added a mission along with the assignments. Along with the mission badge, along with the points, as well as questions. And we can go in here and take a look now at what I have done and what I've completed. Okay, so what we have seen here, now that I'm looking at my awards dashboard, we can see that my recent activity was how to use the copier. The assignment was the basic copier video, and then how many points that I've earned from that perspective. I can look over here and see that I earned my Toshiba badge. And again, the rewards that were available for this, as you know, was a $5 gift card for Toshiba, for Dunkin' Donuts. Right here to Toshiba, complete the training video for copier, and you get a $5 gift card. So pretty simple. We ran through all of this. Congratulations, job well done on that. And we look forward to talking with you and talking about how we could help you turn your Office 365 site into a real learning management and gamification platform. Thank you very much for attending today's session.